Good morning.
Time to get up. These glasses, jacket, and sweats, baby girl, that's a get up.
All right, y'all. So let's jump into the style that I want to do. So, the style I want to do is pretty much some bantu knots, but I want to put like a braid on the side that's gonna come from here all the way to here and curve over. So I'm excited. This is gonna be my first time attempting this, so be patient with me. Be patient. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spray my hair and start thinking about what I thought about it already, but now we're gonna actually start the placement of my bantu knots in the braid. I'm gonna make sure I definitely water up those sides because yeah. Get this side. Some of the tools I'm gonna be using are these bobby pins, these elastic ponytail holders, and I might use some of these. We'll see. Gonna use some jumbo rubber bands, lock jewelry as needed, or I feel like I'll use, and I might use some of this gold string that I have, those little odds and ends, but we'll see. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out my hair from my braid or my twist that'll be on the side. The part not gonna be straight, perfectly straight anyway, but that's okay. Ooh, it's gonna be thick. It's gonna be big. I don't know about this, but we finna see. We gonna try it. Okay. I'm a three strand braid these. Ooh. So I can just get them out the way pretty much. Alright, and get this little braid section out the way. Whew. And it's gone out the way. Alright. I think for my bantu knots, I only got the middle to work with, so I think I'm gonna do 2 in the front. Let me pull my hair down in the middle first. Get that together. That's not completely straight, but it'll do. It'll do. So I'm gonna spread it here. This one is gonna go up here, but yeah, it'll go there. Right? I don't really like galaxy buns, and I'm trying to avoid it from looking that way. Like, for real, I am. We gonna see though. I barely see my scalp these days. It's interesting to see when I do see it. Very interesting. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do 3 in the front, and yeah, I'm finna see. You know what? I'm not gonna do bantu knots all over. I'm just not. Maybe one day I'll get there, but today is, I don't think I'm gonna do bantu knots all over. I think this back part I'm gonna leave out down so I can like focus on putting like shells and stuff on them, you know. So yeah, I think this is what it's gonna be with the back. I feel like y'all see it. Yeah. Just 3 across the top, hair down at the back, the little braids on the side. Boom, that's what I'm gonna do. Cause yeah, I don't have the energy to figure out this back part. I'll go ahead and start on the braid part. I'm gonna do those bantu knots last. I got my moisturizer, y'all. Now, I got with the edge gel, the coconut hibiscus flaxseed edge gel by Shea Moisture. Been using it for a while now, and I'm gonna just swoop, 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 swoop. I'll get to that later. As for now, we're gonna start here at the back. Try to see, can y'all see? It's pretty much just a twist. Add in here braid. Then I'm gonna twist it up. Well, I'm gonna twist it going this way. So I changed it. I decided to go straight back. And what I'm gonna do is secure it there. And I'm gonna show you the rest later. Because I have plans for that. I promise. I got plans for that. I'll do the other side, see? As you can see, yeah. I thought the other side somewhat did too. They don't necessarily look the same, but oh yeah. Alright, starting these bantu knots. Put this on my head and straighten it out. Try to do my baby hairs edges. Well, I'm trying to do my edges as I go along. I can kind of swoop them a little bit. Another reason I can't be doing too many bantu knots is because I ain't got enough ponytail holders for all the hoop. I'm about to see, can I weave this string? Oh yeah, I like the way it came out. But I'm about to see, can I weave this string through my braid? Let us spray. I think that's the hook. See, the hook on this one is small, so I probably should have, boom. Okay, I'm getting somewhere with it. But then that means we finna see. Make sure you put it as close as possible to this, to each other. You don't want like big gaps. And putting it through the braid actually helps keep it sturdy. So that works out. Put it up just a little bit higher. It's hard seeing, like looking in the mirror sometimes doing stuff. It's actually easier if I just look through the camera. Ooh, it's so pretty, y'all. Like, this is transforming better than I had planned. And I'm so excited about that. I love when that happens with hair. You have one plan, but then it ends up being something totally different. I'm so excited. So excited, y'all. I get excited when I try out new things. That's really something that I wasn't planning. Okay. Now, I'm gonna see, can I tie it at the end? I really want to add some more, but I'm gonna wait till I get to the other side and see how much string I got left. Because so far I do have a lot of string left, but right now I'm gonna leave it like this, and I'm about to go over to the next side and do this. I'll cut. I got my piece. No, I can just bring it up in here. Y'all, this is so fun. See, I like doing fun styles, especially for like a festival or something. I'm so excited. So now, I was gonna wear like these big earrings, but now I think I'm gonna go simple with my earrings. But my earrings still cute though. They're still cute. I'm gonna let y'all see. And now I'm about to go through. You know, I could probably do a big old bantu knot got an idea. Let me see something. Ah, y'all, I'm so tempted to make this into a pineapple with the bantu knots. It was this. I might try that one day, but today is not the day I'm gonna try it. So I might just leave it down. Oh yeah, I do like it better down. Leave it down, and I'm finna go through and add in. Ooh, see, I don't like when strings be hanging like that. I'm gonna have to go through and try to like do something about that. But what I'm gonna do is, y'all gonna see, but yeah, I'm finna go through and add all the shells on. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, so I put some shells on my hair. I didn't realize till now how fluffy my locks are. And I guess because I have this all out the way and now all I got is the back. They are so fluffy. Like, I didn't realize my locks were so light and fluffy. That's how I know they're moisturized pretty good right now. Because usually when my locks feel lightweight, they're moisturized. When they start feeling dry, crusty, heavy, they're not moisturized. But they doing their thing, y'all. Like, for real. And got this in the front. I'm gonna go through it. So here we go. I'm gonna throw these to the back like they're supposed to be. And let the girls do their thing. Oh, my earrings. Look at my earrings, y'all. I got these from Shein. I love these little earrings, the little flowers. I've been waiting to wear them. I'm so excited that I finally got a chance to wear them. Ooh, ooh. I love my outfit. Love how everything came out. See you at the festival.